In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add attachments to emails in HubSpot. Whether you're reaching out to a client or sending important documents to a colleague, knowing how to attach files directly from HubSpot can streamline your workflow and ensure your emails are as informative as possible. Let's walk through this step by step. First, you need to go to the HubSpot website. If you haven't already, open your web browser and navigate to hubspot.com. Once the page loads, look towards the top right corner of the screen where you'll see the Login button. Click on it to start the sign-in process. Once you've clicked on Login, you'll be prompted to choose your method for signing in. For today's demonstration, you'll want to select Sign In with Google. This will direct you to a page where you can choose your Google account. Click on the account you want to use, and you're in. Now that you're logged into HubSpot, it's time to access the CRM, which stands for Customer Relationship Management. This powerful tool is where you'll manage all your contacts and interactions. To do this, locate the link that takes you to the CRM and click on it. Within the CRM, focus your attention on finding the Contacts section. Click on Contacts and you'll be presented with a list of all your saved connections. From this list, select the contact to whom you wish to send an email with an attachment. After selecting your contact, you should now see an option on the left side of the screen labeled Email. Click on it to start drafting your email. Now comes the part where you'll add your attachment. Look for a clip icon, typically representing a paper clip, which is a universal symbol for attaching files. Click on this icon. This action opens up a new menu where you'll see an option to upload new. Click on Upload New to start the process of adding your file. Next, a file browser window will open, allowing you to navigate through your computer's directories to find the specific file you want to attach. Once located, select the file, and it will upload directly to the email you're composing. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully added an attachment to your email in HubSpot. This process can save you time and improve the efficiency of your communication, allowing you to share crucial information effortlessly. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out more tutorials to enhance your HubSpot experience.